Aman, did you see this one? A great Indian bustard chick just hatched in the wild in Kutch. First time in a decade.
Wait, seriously? That's massive. And the method they used is genuinely fascinating.
Right? We're getting into all of it. Welcome back to Preparo's Daily CA Pulse. I'm Ria.
And I'm Aman. 9 stories today. Let's get into it.
Okay, so the Great Indian Bustard, GIB, is critically endangered. And this hatching in Gujarat's Kutch is a genuine conservation milestone.
What exactly is this jumpstart method they're talking about?
So, scientists transferred a fertile egg from a captive breeding program into a wild nest. The wild bird incubates and raises it naturally. Coordinated by MOEFCC, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, with Rajasthan and Gujarat Forest Departments under Project GIB, launched in 2016.
GS3, Biodiversity and Conservation. And for prelims, GIB Habitat, IUCN status critically endangered, and this jumpstart terminology, that's coming in a question.
100%. Okay, staying on environment, 20,000 olive ridley turtle eggs have been conserved on Hope Island in Kakinada Bay, Andhra Pradesh.
Hope Island is interesting geographically. It's basically a barrier island formed by the Godavari Delta.
Yes, and the conservation here is in situ. Eggs protected at the actual nesting site, led by the Wildlife Management Authority and Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. Olive ridleys are the world's smallest sea turtles, listed as vulnerable, and they're omnivorous. Jellyfish, crabs, algae.
Prelims loves olive ridley facts. Smallest sea turtle, heart-shaped carapace, mass nesting called Aribada. GS3 for conservation methods.
Exactly. Now, shifting gears, the government has revamped the PM e-Drive scheme for electric vehicles with a budget of 10,900 crore rupees.
E-Drive. What does that even stand for?
PM Electric Drive Revolution in Innovative Vehicle Enhancement. It runs from October 2024 and incentives now extend to July 2026 for two-wheelers and March 2028 for three-wheelers. The focus is EV adoption plus charging infrastructure, very much Atmanirbhar Bharat in spirit.
GS3, Government Schemes and Infrastructure. The full form will 100% be a prelims question. Just memorize the acronym.
Moving to something a bit alarming, microplastics. Particles smaller than 5 millimeters, and they are now being linked to antimicrobial resistance hotspots. That's a new angle.
Wait, microplastics causing AMR? How does that work?
Microplastics accumulate bacteria and resistance genes together, basically a breeding ground. India is responding with QR-based plastic tracking and EPR 2.0, extended producer responsibility. But upstream sources like synthetic textiles remain the real problem.
GS3, Environment and Health. Primary versus secondary microplastics. The UN Global Plastics Treaty angle. All prelims worthy. And the AMR link is a strong mains answer hook.
And speaking of regulation, FATF, the Financial Action Task Force, has flagged India's crackdown on offshore virtual asset service providers or OVASPs.
So, crypto regulation basically.
Exactly. India set up a virtual asset lab for automated surveillance, blocked 85 URLs of non-compliant platforms via the Sahyog portal, and mandated that principal officers of all VASPs be physically based in India. This is squarely about combating money laundering and terror financing.
FATF, FIU, Financial Intelligence Unit, Sahyog Portal, OVASPs, GS3, Internal Security and Economy, strong prelims and mains material.
Quickfire, 4 more. Earth Hour 2026 happened on March 28th, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m., India Gate, Qutub Minar, Red Fort went dark. It's the 20th anniversary. Organized by WWF. Theme: Give an Hour for Earth.
The government restructured fuel taxation, reduced special additional excise duty on petrol and diesel, raised export duties on diesel and ATF to protect oil marketing companies from under-recoveries amid rising global crude prices.
Statues of Kakori train action heroes Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah Khan were destroyed during a road beautification drive in UP. The Hindustan Republican Association's 1925 action is back in the news.
An avalanche near Zojila Pass, the strategic route linking Kashmir Valley and Ladakh at over 3,500 meters, has triggered fresh safety concerns after multiple casualties.
That's 9 prelims worthy topics today. Stay curious, stay prepped.
See you tomorrow on Prep Aero's Daily CA Pulse.